So my air conditioner is not working. It's just blowing out fan, hot air, and my condenser outside is making this noise. Okay. Now, I'm going to end up turning off the breakers. And even after I do that, I still have to be careful because I know that there's a capacitor inside here. I haven't verified if there's any live juice here, so I'm going to end up not touching anything quite yet. But we've got it coming in through here, and we have our capacitors. Okay. Now these capacitors I know have been changed out probably about 2 years ago. Are they still good? Who knows? But the humming that I'm hearing, I'm almost positive is coming from this guy right here. I think the problem is this guy right here, especially considering it kind of looks like it's been heated up. I think if I were to take this off, I'm going to end up seeing some type of like arcing, some type of welding. So let's do just that. Lo and behold, look at what we got inside here. That piece should not be loose like that. This basically ends up having contacts between these 2 points, and that should not fall out like that. But whoo, look at that arcing. Look at that arcing. Wow. So I have to replace this. I don't think it's my compressor after all. Good news is I don't think this is going to be too much. Bad news is I have to wait for it to be delivered. This part of the contact points of the relay had just gotten toast. It just got destroyed, along with the inner workings of that. And that's what prevented, this is the new guy, from working. Okay, and this is what we were getting that hum from. Okay, I had to order a new one online, and I was able to get it here in a couple of days. And of course, your AC is going to go out when you need it, right? During the winter, it's not going to go out. So expect to be without an AC for a few days, unless locally they sell something like this. And what I've got right now is my multimeter here, and I want to check all of these connections to make sure there's no juice coming through them still, even though I have the main off, simply because we do have capacitors here, right? What I had done prior was take a picture, right? So that way I know that all of the wires are going to go in their correct place, because it's going to be a couple of days before I was going to be able to actually put this back together again. Let's go ahead and turn the power back on, turn the AC on, and see if we can hear this thing turn on and give us AC again. And how do you like them apples? That's what the problem was. So you don't even really have to call out an AC repairman or anything like that. Just turn the power off. Make sure that the capacitors are drained. You don't want to be getting shocked with anything like that. That part right there cost me $12, and the shipping was like $7 or something, and I got it here in a couple of days. But if you hear that hum, that's what's going on, more than likely. So anyway, guys, that's that. I got my AC back, so I'm happy because it's been hot. And until next time, talk to you later.